Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uVanele, so I'm back again kwindaba zala kwiBetway Premiership regarding ama-transfer news. Yabo, I'm sure abaningi kade beyilindele le video le bethi uVane ukephi. Nangu umdlali weOrlando Pirates ingathi kunenkinga la. So I'm here to provide an update kuMonapule Saleng. Monapule Saleng is set to leave Orlando Pirates to join iOrbit College on loan. Yabo, le ndaba lezi kisho SABC Sports namhlanje regarding uMonapule Saleng. Monapule Saleng will not be part of isquad esotravela siyele eSpain. Ukwingxenye yabadlali abangebahamba, abadlali abanjengo Olisanda will not travel with Orlando Pirates main squad. Olisanda yena ngizwile kuthi uzotravela yedwa umshita ayojoin iClub later this week. Intatheli ikhulumileke na Monapule Saleng regarding lama rumors akhe yokujoina iOrbit College. Waphendula kuMonapule Saleng washo ukuthi hayi ngempela uvumile ukuthi ayojoina iOrbit College on loan. Uthe sekuphelile sekuqediwe sekulindelwe nje iannouncement ukuthi umjida ayojoina iOrbit College. Yabo, so asazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates izoyenza nini announcement, but ke Monapule Saleng is set to join iOrbit College azoba kwi loan kule season ezoqala. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje, Mamelodi Sundowns have rejected an initial offer from a club eqhamuka le eCyprus. The club le ibifuna ukuthenga uThapelo Maseko on loan. Umjede bebefuna ukumlanda on loan, yabo. But ke Mamelodi Sundowns ayikuvumanga lokho, ayikwazi ukuthi idedele umdlali wabo available njengoThapelo Maseko. Even though currently uThapelo Maseko akayithola igame time, ucoach omusha akamsebenzisi njengalendlela babemsebenzisa ngakhona ocoach abebekhona, yabo. So uThapelo Maseko ngeke azamove ayela eCyprus ayojoina leya club leya ebizwa ngeAris, yabo. Asazi ke noma Mamelodi Sundowns iopen ekudayiseni umjida, but ke abavumanga ukuthi bamlone uThapelo Maseko ayojoina leya club yale eCyprus. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa iStellenbosch FC irejectile futhi nayo ioffer eqhamuka le Israel. Iclub yase-Israel ekuthiwa iMaccabi bafethu ibifuna ukusayina uThabo Moleisane on a loan. Yabo, lo mjida lo bafethu siyamazi, one of the best defenders akhona kwiBetway Premiership, one of the contenders ePSL Defender of the Season. Bebefuna ukumlona le iIsrael on a permanent, not on a permanent per se, but on loan, but with the option to make the deal permanent. Yabo, so still is as vumanga ukuthi umjida bamlone ayele Israel. There are many offers regarding yena uThabo Moleisane akhona la kwiBetway Premiership, amathima amfuna ngempela. So asazi noma uzovuma yena ukuthi ayojoina amathima kwiBetway Premiership ayeke ideal yokuyodlala le eEurope. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu uZitha Kwinika signed 1-year deal with the Kaizer Chiefs after impressing the technical team. Umjida uzoqhubeka ahlale kwiKaizer Chiefs adlale umjida bafethu. Kahle kahle beperformela icontract yakhe. Kule season esiphuma kuyona nje indlela ade edlala ngakhona ubona ngempela ukuthi there's a point azama ukuyiprove umjida. Uwa impressile ama bosses akhe amasha bamnikeza i1-year contract, uzoqhubeka adlale for iKaizer Chiefs. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphumile namhlanje iStellenbosch ikhipha umbiko regarding their youth player uSimthandile Sishi. Namhlanje bamnikeze iprofessional contract umfana omncane bafethu uyi-center back aphinda adlale as a left back. Umjida uyi-left center back actually, uyakwazi ukudlala umjida ama-position wo-2, u-technical gifted. iStellies bafethu enikhumbula kahle kune-defender leStellies engenzeka liyojoina iMamelodi Sundowns. So it's a good thing bayipromothile intwana eyidlala vele ya position leya as i-left back. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu uHashim Domingo will leave iCape Town City. The two parties have parted company on a mutual agreement. Umjida uzoba i-free agent. There may be teams la kwiBetway Premiership azawuzama ukumsayina, asazi, but ke umjida right now uyi-free agent useshiyile iCape Town City. Cape Town City iyele kwi-NFD. Uzojoina bani? Uzojoina uLorenzo Godino nayo siyi-free agent. Uzojoina uDarren Keats nayo siyi-free agent abaqhamuka kuyona iCape Town City. We don't know, maybe there are players abazojoina nayo. Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu iMarumo Gallants namhlanje ikhiphe ucoach wabo omusha. Namhlanje announce ucoach wabo omusha ade ekhuluma nabeindaba namhlanje. Lo coach lo Alexandre Latif una 28 years old, une UEFA A license, usewine ileague with the Stade Abidjan last season after iStade Abidjan yagcina ukuwina ileague after 16 years. 56 years actually, not 16. So umjida uzojoina iMarumo Gallants after iMarumo Gallants ishiywe ucoach wayo ojoina Orlando Pirates uAbdeslam. Nyamazi kuba futhi uAbdeslam izinto eziningi uzenzile. Ngibuya la iKZN bafethu iKZN kuzobe kunomcintiswana uzobukhona iKZN Premier Cup. iPremier Cup ukile ijwayele ukudlalelwa amaclub ala eKZN okubalwa khona amaZulu, iRaleigh emayikhona last season, iDurban City izobe ikhona. Durban City ayibizwa ngeMaritzburg United, but ke kulokhu izobe iDurban City izobe idlala ngempela. Khona neMilford, khona iRichards Bay, iMidland Wanderers. iMidland Wanderers iclub lesathanda kujoyina kwi-NFD iwinile. So igame yokuqala kuzodlala AmaZulu versus iGolden Arrows. Igame ke leyo eyaziwa ukuthi igame ejwayele ukuba mnandi kakhulu. Izodlala ngomhla ka-26 July kuzobe kuwumgqibelo. Mase isigame yesibili izodlala ngomhla ka-26 July futhi izobe between iDurban City versus iMilford. Mase ukuthi igame yesithathu izodlala ngakusasa, izodlala ngo-9 ekseni kuba iMidland Wanderers versus iRichards Bay. Mase ukuthi semi-final kuzoba between i-team ewina ku-fixture 1 between i-team ewina ku-fixture 2. Mase ukuthi i-final izoba between i-team ewine ku-semi-final 1 ku-second day. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje, uKgomotso Mosadi is set to join iMagesi FC. Le striker lesi besidlalela ama-Tuks last season. Besi-impress kakhulu, umjidi udlale kahle, so is set to join iMagesi FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu uTS Galaxy. Umphathi weTS Galaxy ukhulume nabezindaba regarding indaba eziphumile uJohn Committees. Kuthiwa uJohn Committees ufuna ukusayina, not ufuna ukusayina phese, uJohn Committees kuthiwa ufuna ukuthenga istatus seTS Galaxy. Ushilo kwekhuluma nabezindaba uTim Sukazi wathi cha, lezo indaba engekho mnandi ngempela. Yabo ubhalileke la ngengifuna ukwasho lamagama lawo, but ke lama rumors la uyasho ukuthi afikile after efone ade kwi-call naye uJohn Committees. uJohn Committees ubefuna ukusayina iTS Galaxy, ukuthenga, ngazi indaba ngilo ngithi kusayina, ukuthenga istatus seTS Galaxy. Wamtshela ukuthi iTS Galaxy akusiyona for sale. Yabo iTS Galaxy is not for sale. So indaba iphele lapho. Yabo uJohn Committees ke bafethu ubefuna ukuthenga istatus seTS Galaxy same as the way wathenga khona istatus seMpumalanga Black Aces. Indaba ke lezi ejwayele ukwenzeka, but ke uthe cha asifuni ukuyidayisa iTS Galaxy. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje, iMarumo Gallants concluded their 11th signing okuDolly James on a 25 years old. Bamsayine lo mjidi on a 2-year deal. uJames waqala kwiMamelodi Sundowns under 19, wamova waya kwiDC Sundowns, wamova waya kwi-M Tigers okuyiclub edlala ngaphansi kweSundowns. Wajoyina iclub yaseWestern Cape ekuthiwa iCrystal Palace. Umjida ke usesayine with iMarumo Gallants. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu, uWonderboy Makhubu usebuyelile kwiparent club yakhe iSikhukhune FC after umjida ehlale with iMagesi FC last season. So usebuyele kwiSikhukhune bafethu. I hope uzokwazi ukulwela isikhala sakhe lapha kwiSikhukhune, because iSikhukhune sayine uBradley Grobler ke nyamazi uyawakora ngempela amagoli wamjida lwa. So kumele afight ngempela uWonderboy lapha kwiSikhukhune United. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje, iclub yakwi-ABC Motsepe League isinenkani iconfirmile ngempela ukuthi umdlali wabo oyiwinga uMbulelo Dembele noMbengula usejoyina iRichards Bay FC. iRichards Bay FC ledlala kwiBetway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba ezishisayo engithatha ukuthi ngibeka ngasekugcineni, iMamelodi Sundowns, umgadli wayo weSundowns uRibeiro Costa usefunwa amaclub ayi5. Ngikhulumileke ngale club yaseTurkey iChebspor. Yabo angikwazi ukupronounce leli gama, but le club le ibemfuna ngempela uRibeiro Costa. Seqhamuka amaclub awu4 angene irace yokumsayina umjidi. iFluminense, ngiyayikhumbula ke iFluminense iclub le edlala le eBrazil erepresenta iBrazil kwiClub World Cup, iyamfuna ngempela umjida. Another Brazilian club okuyiCruzeiro iyamfuna uLucas Ribeiro Costa. Yabo mase kuba iclub yaseFrance iST Etienne. Yabo mase kuba iQatar SC, iclub le ebidlalelwa uPesitao yaseQatar. So amaclub lawa serious ngempela amfunayo uRibeiro Costa. It's up to Ribeiro Costa ukuthi awajoyine noma cha, but ke nguyena ngajoyina iFluminense. iFluminense athola ithuba eliningi lokuthi represent iBrazil medlalela iFluminense. Yabo instead of going to le ku Qatar, but ke it's up to the player and the management yeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bamdede